Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about two products that I've been using religiously from past 6 months or maybe a year, I don't even remember. Acne has always been my major skin concerns, and when it comes to me, I have super oily, sensitive and acne prone skin. So you have an idea how much I struggle when it comes to acne. So in today's video, I am going to talk about two products that I think you should definitely try if you have oily, sensitive and acne prone skin. Now you guys can see I have a huge pimple right here, and I just don't know how it happened, but it happened. And you guys can see since the day it has appeared, I'm not using any makeup at all, and these are the two products that I've been using. And also I'm using another product that I have talked about in my previous Dermaco video. I will link it right here, you can go and check it out. But these two are the major products that I use on everyday basis, and I use it in the daytime as well as in the nighttime. Okay, so these are the two products that I am talking about from the brand called the Dermaco, and this is their 1% salicylic acid gel daily face wash, and this is their 2% salicylic acid daily face serum. Now both of them are specially made for active acne, and both of them has salicylic acid, witch hazel and willow bark. These two products are sulfate free, dye free, paraben free and mineral oil free, and they don't contain any fragrance to it. Also, every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they are going to help educating along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 students across the year. So this is the 1% salicylic acid gel daily face wash for active acne. This has salicylic acid, witch hazel, willow bark, and you are supposed to use it in the daytime as well as in the nighttime. Now this is a face wash that I have talked about in my previous video as well, and this is the only face wash that I'm using currently, and this is very affordable as well. It retails for 299 rupees and you are getting 100 ml of product. And what I really like about this particular face wash that it cleanses my skin so well without drying out my skin. Now this is how the salicylic acid gel face wash looks like. You guys can see it comes in a tube packaging, and also the texture of this product, it's so good. It's gel like and it's so lightweight. If you have oily skin, you're gonna love this face wash. It's a really nice cleanser that also exfoliates your skin. It has 1% salicylic acid with witch hazel and willow bark that deeply penetrates into the pores to eliminate acne causing bacteria and impurities. It's a gel face wash that makes it extremely lightweight and easy to absorb. Salicylic acid is a potent skincare ingredient and a popular peeling agent. Salicylic acid shades the outer layer of the skin and helps preventing pimple, acne and blemishes. Witch hazel deeply cleanses the skin and works with salicylic acid to remove excess oil, tighten your enlarged pores and relieve inflammation. Willow bark is an extremely versatile ingredient that exfoliates and reduces excess oil in the skin, resulting in refined pores. It further reduces the appearance of acne and helps the skin look more radiant and youthful. And this is the second product, and this is my hero product, and I just can't live without this one, and I've been using it I think from last 6 to 8 months or maybe a year, I don't even remember. So this is the Dermaco 2% salicylic acid face serum. This has salicylic acid of course, and also it has witch hazel and willow bark, and you are supposed to use it twice a day, in the daytime as well as in the nighttime. And one thing I always mention, that whenever you are using any active ingredient, a patch test is needed, and topping off with a sunscreen is must. Now this is how the salicylic acid serum looks like. It comes in a frosted glass jar packaging, and also it comes with a dropper. I just love this particular serum, and I would highly recommend it. If you have oily acne prone skin, just try this one. This is going to help your skin dealing with blackheads and whiteheads with the expert pore clarifying solution, which is salicylic acid. It's an oil soluble serum which allows it to easily penetrate deep within the pores and clear sebum clogs that also cause acne. The addition of witch hazel and willow bark in this serum just soothes and prevents moisture loss during the exfoliation. This is going to treat acne and acne marks, unclog your pores, removes and prevents whiteheads and blackheads, and this is suitable for all skin type. This is dermatologically tested and safe to use for anyone with acne, open pores, excess sebum production, blackheads and whiteheads. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details and links are mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to check that out, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, it's for free, but it will help me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.